Hi, I'm Jack Canfield, and today I want to talk to you about your IQ and your EQ and the role that each plays in determining your capacity for success. As a reminder, I want to make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when I release new videos. You know, most people are familiar with the term IQ. As you probably know, it stands for intelligence quotient. And it's a measurement of different qualities we tend to think of as comprising our intelligence, such as problem-solving skills and analytical thinking, short-term memory, and spatial recognition. Now, an IQ test doesn't measure your knowledge or how well read or educated you are. In fact, an uneducated individual can score just as high on an IQ test as someone with a university degree. The purpose of an IQ test is to evaluate a person's inherent intelligence, the raw processing power of their mind, independent from any facts or knowledge they might have memorized over the course of their life. Now, many of the world's most successful inventors, scientists, and world leaders have demonstrated very high IQs. People like Leonardo da Vinci, Einstein, Stephen Hawking, or Steve Jobs. But there are many people with high IQs who've never achieved any success at all in their lives. And many people with perfectly average IQs who are among some of the most successful people in the world. And why is that? Well, one thing scientists have put a lot of time and effort into researching in recent years is what they call our EQ and the effect it can have on the kind of success you achieve in your life. In case you're not familiar with the term EQ, it stands for your emotional quotient, and it's a measure of a person's ability to relate with other human beings and understand their own emotions and motivations, as well as the emotions and motivations of others. Now, EQ tests are designed to measure things like a person's empathy, their social skills, self-awareness, self-regulation, and their ability to manage relationships, all of which are incredibly important for a happy, successful life. And what researchers have found in multiple studies over the years is that a person's EQ is a much more reliable indicator of their potential for success than their IQ is. So why is EQ such a powerful indicator of success? And I say it's powerful because research has shown that it plays a bigger role in a person's success than their financial status or wealth of the family they grew up in. Now, to start with, people with high EQ know how to communicate more effectively with other people. They can relate to people on a deeper level, and they can understand their motivations and their feelings and will take those into account when dealing with them. That makes them better negotiators, better managers, and better leaders, which means they're far more likely to succeed in business or make their way up the corporate ladder faster than their extremely intelligent but socially awkward counterparts. Now, the good news is this. Whereas IQ is something we're born with and doesn't really change much over time, you can raise your EQ. All it takes is a bit of self-awareness and personal development training. So if you're not sure where to start, you can go to Google or Amazon and do a search on the term raise your EQ, and you'll find lots of great resources that will help you. And our Breakthrough to Success and our Train the Trainer programs will also raise your EQ. So if you've ever told yourself that you're not smart enough to be successful, I want you to understand right now on a very deep level that smart actually has very little to do with it. If you want to be more successful, you'll find yourself getting much better results if you focus on developing your emotional intelligence instead. It's one of the best things you can do to become the kind of person who is capable of achieving the kind of success that I know you seek. So that's what you should know about your IQ versus your EQ. It may be that one day we will find another type of quotient, we'll call it the SQ, the success quotient, that will do an even better job of predicting a person's capacity to achieve success. A sort of hidden Q, if you will. Now, this new type of intelligence might be a person's ability to grasp the universe around them, how it works, how it influences their lives, and the laws that govern it. So rather than just determining how well you relate to other human beings, as EQ does, this third type of intelligence could determine how well you relate to everything in the world around you. Like kind of a law of attraction intelligence, something that empowers you to attract more of what you want so that you can create the life you dream of. It's a totally theoretical concept at this stage, and so don't expect the test for this new Q to become available anytime soon. However, it's still useful to know that EQ and IQ alone might not paint the full picture of a person's intelligence and capacity for success. We are, after all, complex creatures, and our understanding of the human mind still just scratches the tip of the iceberg. Now, I'd like to hear your thoughts after watching this video. How high would you say your IQ and your EQ are? And are you leveraging both of them effectively in your efforts to achieve success? So if you're inspired, please leave a comment below with your answer. I'd love to read what you have to say about it. So thanks for watching, and remember, nothing in your life will change for the better until you do. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like it, share it with a friend who may need it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And for some additional resources on the difference between IQ and EQ, make sure to visit my website at JackCanfield.com. Thanks again for watching.